Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to move around pictures freely in Microsoft Word. So let's get right into it. Here, I have a blank Word document and I am looking to insert an image. To do this, I'll head over to the Insert tab and quickly insert a random image. Once the image is in the document, you will notice that while I can resize it easily by dragging the corners, moving it around isn't as straightforward. That's because, by default, Word treats images similarly to text characters, which can be quite limiting. To gain the freedom to move your image anywhere, simply right-click on the image, choose Wrap Text, then select In Front of Text. You will find the same options under the Picture Format tab if you prefer going that route. And now, as you can see, we can move the image to any position within the document. Just a quick tip for future reference. If you prefer your images to always float freely without having to change the setting each time, you can set this as a default behavior. Click on File, then select Options. In the Options menu, navigate to Advanced and scroll down to the Cut, Copy and Paste options. Choose In Front of Text under the Insert Paste Pictures as drop-down menu. This will save you the time by allowing any inserted images to automatically float over the text. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video. Take care.